Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can switch off or power off your phone Vivo Y16. To switch off your phone, find the power button on the right side of your phone. This is power button. Just long press it and you will have the option to switch off here. Okay, this is power off button and this is restart button. If you click on power off, it will be switched off. Vivo logo appears and you will experience one vibration and you can make sure that your phone is switched off. Okay, if you want to switch on your phone, again you go to long press this power button. Okay, just long press this power button and your phone screen logo will appears and your phone will be started. Just wait few seconds. It takes longer time. Just wait. It's powered by Android. It's showing here. It's take longer. Just wait. Okay. Okay, let's close the video because it's taking too longer and actually what will happen, just your phone screen will be turned on and it will ask your pattern to authenticate. Okay, yes, it has come and you have to draw your pattern to enter into your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily switch off or switch on your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.